We're here in Leipzig in Germany, and we've just completed the plumbing competition after some great efforts from all the competitors. The World Plumbing Council has presented some medallions of excellence for all the competitors and experts for their efforts here.
Well, good day. My name is Russ Chaney and I'm from the United States. I'm a member of the WorldSkills Foundation Board of Trustees, and I'm also the CEO of the IAPMO Group. And I had the pleasure today of presenting World Plumbing Council Medallions to all of the plumbing competitors and their associated experts from around the world, something that we've been doing since 2003 in St. Gallen. But the purpose in presenting the medallions is to just recognize each and every competitor and their associated expert, to make them understand that today doesn't end everything that they've been working on for the past 2 years. As plumbing professionals in the future, they're going to be responsible for protecting that public's health and safety, as well as our environment. And one of the recent WorldSkills Foundation projects is what's known as an Innovation Lab, which is a project that matches together experts from around the world, as well as some of the competitors that participated today, and to send those individuals to countries that are in need of help in protecting public health and safety. So today we recognize the leaders of our industry in the future, and it was an extremely rewarding day and very proud for me to be here representing the international plumbing industry.
Just done a presentation on the project that we did, the Sanitation Studio with Health-Habitat, RMIT, IAPMO and the WorldSkills Foundation. And hopefully the competitors that have competed here will be the next that will work on these projects, and that these projects will grow, and there are a lot more of them to spread the knowledge that these guys have.